Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to make these pants. Okay, let's start. Round number 1, we make 18 chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then we make single crochet, start from here. We make 18 single crochet. First single crochet to join both ends. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I will continue to crochet single crochet off cameras. We'll meet again when I reach here. I have made 18 single crochet around. This is how it looks like. So let's continue. Round number 2 to round number 10, we just make single crochet around. Total stitch count for each round is 18. So mark the first stitch. I will continue to crochet off camera, so we will meet again at the end of round number 10. I'm at the end of round number 10. Round number 11, we work on front loop only. One single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count is 18. Mark the first stitch. I'm going to crochet off camera. We'll meet again at the end of round number 11. I'm at the end of round number 11. Round number 12, one single crochet in each stitch for 18 stitches, meaning single crochet around. Mark the first stitch. I will continue to crochet off camera. We'll meet again at the end of round number 12. I'm at the end of round number 12. A slip stitch to end the round. Hide this tail as well. fold this over. We need to make 2 of these. I have made 2 of these. Now I want to join these 2 together. We join the 2 together by using these 2 stitches on each side, like this. Sew them together. And then I will just tie a knot. Like this. Round number 13, we start from here. This stitch, this is the stitch we tie these 2 things together. The stitch next to it, we start from here. So what we'll do is we'll crochet 16 single crochet around, and then 16 single crochet here. So all it adds up 32 single crochet. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And on the other leg, we'll crochet 16 single crochet also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 15, 16, not 17. Okay. Total stitch count for the round is 32. Round number 14, 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count is 32. I will continue to crochet off camera, so we will meet again at the end of round number 14. Round number 15, 1 single crochet in each stitch for 6 stitches. Mark the first stitch. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a decrease. Repeat the sequence around. Total stitch count for the round is 28. I will continue to crochet off camera. We will meet again at the end of round number 15. Round number 16, 1 single crochet. I'm at the end of round number 15. Now we proceed to round number 16. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitch count for the round is 28. Mark the first stitch. I will continue to crochet off camera. We will meet again at the end of round number 16. I'm at the end of round number 16. Make a chain 1 and then turn over. Round number 17, 1 single crochet in each stitch for 28 stitches. I will continue to crochet off camera. We will meet again at the end of round number 17. I'm at the end of round number 17. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then turn over. Round number 18. 1 single crochet in each stitch for 7 stitches. We skip all this chain. Start to crochet first stitch here. 1 single crochet in each stitch for 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a decrease. One single crochet in each stitch for the next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then a decrease. And then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, so for the remaining 6 stitches. End the round. Let's sew the button. Let's put this onto the door. I will leave the link for the tutorial on this hoodie and this body and the head and also the hair and the shoes in the description box. Do take a look at it if you are interested. That's all for my tutorial. I hope you will like it. Please like, subscribe and share. And I hope I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.